gonna unbox this portable butane stove today and try it out for the first time. My mother got me this for Christmas. Never used it. I picked up some butane today, and here is the stove. So let's see how this will work. I don't have the instructions on me, but I'm not sure where the oh, look, it opens this way, and there is a release handle in here, and butane is here. Let's not have any flammable things near our, and I'm assuming the lid comes off. And I don't know if I can show you this, but there's a little nozzle here, and there's a little hole in here, and it looks like it fits in here somehow. Oh, got it in there. I can smell it. It's pretty windy out. Now I'm gonna push the lock. The lock does not want to lock. I'm not sure what's supposed to lock, but what have I done wrong? Oh, locked. Okay. And I'm assuming I have to use a lighter. I don't know. I can feel that it's hot. Oh, I'm gonna have to try and cook something on this later, because it's hot. That is pretty cool.